The beach. The place that every Brit and their nan flocks to in the summer. Not just in the UK, but all across the world. And as someone who has spent their childhood living near the coast, and has been fortunate to have gone on a few holidays, my love for a beach is as of the same level as any other Brit. But out of all of the beaches that exist in the world, which is the best? So as always, I'm doing some very last minute packing, but I'm now about to leave my house to go to London as my flight leaves tomorrow. And to put it in perspective, I get there exactly 2 days from now. So I better get ready, because for the second year running, we're flying to the other side of the world. Get me out of this country.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is
One more to go. It's been a long old day. I haven't slept, but I'm not complaining because, as you can tell, I'm no longer in the miserable London weather.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Is it the nicest beach in the world?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you think beaches here are better than Thailand?
Sorry?
Do you think they're better than Thailand, the beaches?
Like in Thailand?
Yeah, better.
Yeah, it's better here.
Better here.
Yeah.
That's good to hear.
Fine, sand.
Yeah. Right, so I've just checked into this first hotel now in wherever I am. I can't lie, I am completely knackered. I can sleep anywhere, but I can't sleep on planes for some reason. And we're now Sunday evening out in this time zone. Well, I left my house Friday afternoon, so that's what it takes to come to the best places in the world, even if it means that you have to travel to the other side of it. But I'm very happy I got a complimentary drink when I checked in, and the guy very kindly took my bags to my room for me. So 10 out of 10 hospitality service right there. But anyway, in terms of seeing the beach, as you've probably seen, it's currently night time. I don't know my way around this place, and unfortunately there's a bit of a storm. Not only that, I haven't slept in about 2 days, and I can't lie, I could do with some food. Also, yeah, I definitely smell. Been wearing the same clothes since I left my house on Friday. So we're going to check out the beach tomorrow when it's bright. Hopefully the sun is out and this storm is past. Also, just quickly, this room for the first couple of nights, guess how much it costs? Bear in mind, I am supposed to be sharing with someone, but that someone is unfortunately stuck on another island, so I'm on my ones for the time being. But yeah, this room was £10 a night. Not too shabby, I think, considering this place has also got a swimming pool and it's right near the beach. Nice little bit of kit in here, as Will Roxby would say, nice bit of plumbing. £10 a night, not so bad. Definitely can get used to these prices. I have missed this side of the world. Well, this is a first. I've been served coffee, but I've been served hot water with the coffee sachet. Can't lie, it tastes really good. I feel a bit strange though, I've got this whole table to myself. And I'm definitely the only person in this room that's by themselves. Look at this for a good bit of scran first thing in the morning. Hell yeah. Right, I've just had breakfast and I'm gonna go walk to the beach, which is only 5 minutes away, because where we got the hotel is right in the town centre of the island. Oh, there's a dog following me. Sup, bro? So far the weather today looks so much better than last night. One thing's for sure, this road is very busy. I mean, just look at how many tuk-tuks are out. Don't really know if I've taken the right route, but we're gonna follow it anyway. Okay, I just looked at my maps and I am going the wrong way. I'm going to the other side of the island. I've downloaded Google Maps. So big tip, if you're out in remote places that you have no idea where you're going. Okay, this has to be one of the nicest beaches I've ever seen. Unfortunately the sun isn't quite out and it's a little bit cloudy, but nevertheless, look at this for a view. I could definitely get used to this. Where I am right now, there's literally hardly anyone around. It is a little bit annoying that the sun's not quite out and it is a bit cloudy. As you can see, look in the distance here, there's quite a few clouds over here. But I can imagine as soon as the sun comes out, this water is turning crystal clear blue. I mean, I can already tell, look how blue it is already. It's so clear, and the sand, literally there's no stones, all just pure white sand as far as I can see. It was a little bit busy up at that end, but all it takes is to walk 10 minutes down the beach. Practically hardly anyone about. It is literally 9 AM on a Monday morning, and what a way to spend it. One big thing I've noticed already, I think I've been asked 20 times if I want to buy anything. I obviously stick out like a sore thumb here. To be honest, I haven't actually seen anyone else that's British. I don't even think I've seen anyone European. Everyone here is either a local, all the tourists are Asian. I mean, don't get me wrong, it is a bit of a trek to get here. I was 100% the only Brit on my flight. But if you haven't noticed, the sun is now out. So I'm gonna go back to the hotel. I'm gonna grab the other DJI camera that's waterproof. Hopefully also see the other person we're meeting out here and go back to the beach, because that might be the best beach, but it certainly doesn't mean that it's the only beach on the island. What are you saying? I'll call you a bad time for f***'s sake.
Call me naked again.
Come here, come
Oh, hello, mate.
Oh, wet, nice.
Flashback.
Mate. I literally was just saying, oh, where the f*** is Ben? I saw the snacks you've got over there.
Oh yeah.
It made me laugh because I looked in the bin as well and saw some burger you had.
Chicken and rice at 7-Eleven. It's the only thing I knew.
Let's walk back to basics.
Yeah, word.
Oh my god. Well, how have you been? How are you feeling after you travelled?
To be fair, I've been up since 7. My body clock seems alright
Yeah.
at the moment. But yesterday was long. Yeah, that was long. My whole bag yesterday, I added it up because I've got my MacBook with me as well. Oh yeah, there's no safe in here, so I was literally just like chancing it on that door sign saying do not disturb. Right, I've now switched cameras, so I've now got a waterproof one. Gonna be a bit sunnier hopefully when we now go back. We've also got the other beaches to explore on the island. Also, obviously, now no longer alone, so we're now gonna go back and see what we can do in the water.
You're wet and wild.
Yeah, word.
Oh, this Wi-Fi is jank.
Alright, we're coming back to the beach. The sun is finally out. Bill and Ben wearing the same thing.
Black vest combo. Oh man, this looks good.
Oh, I need to take the vest off. This is
Not now, wait till we get
this is peak.
This is what it looks like to arrive at White Beach in Boracay, the Philippines.
Oh
2 boys
my
from the UK.
god.
Oh yeah.
This didn't get voted the best beach in 2024 for no reason.
What, in the world?
In the world.
Best beach in the world 2024. Oh my days. Over here. We've had a little bit of food.
That's what a guy last night, he said, I asked him, are these beaches on Boracay better than in Thailand? And he said, Thailand.
Well, it can't
Nothing.
even compare.
You can't even compare. Compared to earlier where it was really cloudy, it's so clear now. But now I've got the waterproof camera, so we can actually go in the sea.
Yeah, boy.
What this? Oh, that meme from Ice Age. Dirty.
That's giving me a good idea. All covered in green stuff.
Lovely.
Coming out like sweat.
Now you're probably wondering, how is this the best rated beach when the sea is so green? That's because at the time we came out here, it was within algae season, where between the months of February to May, loads of algae built up in the water. I'm glad we did our research. No explanation, sprinting. Might as well join me if you want.
Get all green.
Oh, this goes so far. It's quite so shallow here, man. Moto over it.
That's what I'm talking about. Best beach in the world. Out here.
Out here?
No one out here doing it like this. It came from Tesco.
Tesco Co-op.
Came from the club. That is.
Right, let's get a Chang.
Right.
Oh no, that's Thailand.
Let's get. No, you need a Red Horse.
What is that?
Oh, you're gonna find out.
A red horse.
Oh, Red Horse is a local beer here, and they're strong, like 8%. Also different
8%
flavours of
beer.
San Miguel's here. You get apple San Miguel, lemon San Miguel.
And they got a San Miguel River.
Oh yeah, there is a place called
It's literally called San Miguel River. And we're going there for one reason only.
We found a gym on the beach.
There's one thing about this beach that we said it's the best beach, but this has certified it.
Gym. There is a gym. We've got some pull-up bars, do some dips. Going on the mini one. Oh, look at that. That's a sick shot. Yeah. Blue skies, palm trees.
Oh, you done it. Wobbly.
I mean, I managed to do one, but it's a little bit, it's a little bit wobbly. So,
Mate, I'm just looking at this shot. Just doing dips, palm trees on the beach. You didn't even have to swing for this.
no, I just jumped on top. Nice. That's what I'm talking about, son. Epic workout compilation music. Yeah, I reckon. Have you ever properly attempted a muscle up?
Nah.
Right, today's a day. What a spot for it. Ben's going to attempt his first ever muscle up. What do you mean chill on that? That's it, get some dips in. Bam, bam, bam.
Can't really,
A wild Ben.
can't really dip too much on it.
A wild Ben. Out here dipping. Jungle gym, baby. Benjamin the Boxer Bassham. Tropical gym. Best beach in the world.
Mate, we do a wide grip on this. Feel that in your chest.
Start picking it up. Start.
Literally. Hey, mate, you might even be able to. Nah, that's.
I'll do like proper log throws, you know, when they get.
Okay.
Who's gonna row and carry the boats and the logs?
Literally on a log. Easiest way to get a pump on the beach.
What a spot for it, eh?
A lot of the times I get asked, how do you stay in shape when you're travelling? Well, find yourself a gym on the beach.
It's perfect. Every man's dream. Just need some water and a girlfriend.
What?
Yeah, you heard me. We need a girlfriend.
Alright, we're in a restaurant, sitting indoors because we need the aircon. And I've got some buko juice.
I don't actually know what it is. It looks like a coconut.
I think it is coconut water. I still taste this. Oh, that's nice.
Is it like coconut?
It's like coconut mixed with lemonade, but it's not fizzy. It's like flat lemonade with coconut. I'm gonna try it.
I mean, I'm pretty ill at the moment.
Oh.
Well, I mean, I'm not still angry. I've just got a runny nose. But
Forget that then.
yeah.
Can I not just get that from sitting next to you right now though?
Yeah, perhaps. But the chances are a lot lower rather than kissing each other. Anywho, yeah, this one's quite nice.
Yeah.
How much did your meal cost, by the way?
300 peso.
We just over £4 for everything.
Yeah.
Oh.
Which is cheaper than a premium Tesco meal deal. And we'll obviously you've got the service of eating out, and this is the view we've got.
The thing is, we could have sat like right on the edge, but there was no fan or aircon there, so much
Yeah,
better
good.
off with a cooler room.
It's at least 30 today. I had a look earlier.
I can feel the sun on the skin straight away as well.
Triple A.
Welcome to Asia, my friend. Egg up.
Eggy.
There's one thing they can cook here. It is an egg. That's what I'm talking about. So Ben's got the beef Perez, beef soup. Ben's got that one there. So I get it all in the same shot. Bro, that's such a wide angle. What the hell?
Don't really know what I'm.
Ben and his beef flaps.
Oh mate, that's unreal. That's actually unreal.
Nice. It's a happy man.
For less than a fiver.
Yeah, that meal, that view. Do a little another behind the scenes.
Oh,
So
alright.
look, I'm short form-minded, but I need to get back into the long form game as well.
Yeah, exactly.
It's so difficult. I'll do two at once like a weirdo. Welcome to dinner time in Filipino with myself and Ben.
Hello. Hello. I don't know if I'm going to include this shot.
Yeah, we'll get it in. I'm covering up, mate. You're alright, you're calm. Not only does Boracay have the best beaches in the world, it also is home to mangroves, and that is where we are at the moment. But the quality of this is well good. I need one of these DJI Action 4s. Oh, that's peak, mate. That's really bad. No, you're chilling. I'll be real, you're chilling.
This the camera when you go close to someone's
This stretches you out. You look buff, bruv. The size of this guy, bruv. He's huge, bruv. And now he's tiny. Oh, God. That's a horrible shot. Right, should we go get a photo and pretend to be that? Oh, sorry, we'll get out. We're on a bridge in Boracay. Boracay. That's what I'm talking about. Out here, sunset.
However, while the island had what was listed as the world's best beach, it had a very dark side to it. With just a short 20-minute walk to the other side of the island, the beach and the sea here was filled with rubbish. Yeah, obviously boats that aren't used anymore.
Spending the night on one of those.
Not only did it have abandoned boats just left to rot, it had completely derelict properties. I don't even know what's in this pool.
That is pitch black.
Now, this island has had a lot of issues in the past with managing waste, which led to its closure back in 2018 due to concerns about sewage and waste polluting its beaches and waters. However, over the years it has improved, but it's still sad to see sites like this. So if you do come here, please try to be respectful and clean up your waste where you can, just to try prevent this as much as possible. This is what I saw on TikTok, walking through all the palm trees. So they obviously take the time to spend money on this side of the island, just a bit different to what we just saw back there. That extends quite away.
I can say it here for the moment.
But at the moment, it's trying to get through the storm. Your hair is exactly like those trees.
Hair's peaker than that. Oh no! Oh, I need a transplant. That's Welcome to the Philippines.
Bro's gonna climb. I'm about to get the coconut. The wind is against me.
Right, so there's handles. If you lie forward, there's handles. You can climb onto. You gotta like get your feet in and just kind of push yourself up. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go, Ben. Action man. Yeah. This kid's chatting gas to you, mate. He's telling you to jump. You've got a whole crowd of people watching you as well.
So other than White Beach being a popular place to visit during the day, it's also known for something else. And even though we didn't see it initially, we were lucky enough to witness it the following day. We just...
Well, Nance. Oopsie, what a shame.
Well,
I can't get carried
you've
away.
been spending way too long by yourself. Join a club.
You've spent significantly longer alone than I have.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah! Ben's gone with an authentic dish.
Fish and chips. Mate, it's actually sick.
Both of us having the local dishes tonight. I've got a barbecue pizza. And Ben's got fish and chips with coffee. Ritz aboard.